Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to make a digital signature in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here we will find this prepare form option. Select here. First we have to create a blank signature box. Here we will find this signature icon. Click here and do your blank signature box. Now click right button for properties signature box. As an option here you can say signature box name. You can make box from field visible hidden. Also you can make it read only required. And appearance option here you can say border color medium. And text color you can change a signature type. Also you can change font style and make it times bold italic and close. Now select preview. Now click on this belong signature box and select and configure digital ID. I will select create a new digital ID. Continue. And I will select save to file and continue. Type here your signature name and type your organization name and email. Organization unit detail and select. Now select continue and create a password. Now select save and view details and select continue. This signature preview. Also select create option. Here you can add image. Also you can type text. Also you can draw here. And you can add here distinguished name, location, and I will upload the image. Browse. Next up. Show here. I'll insert this one. And image already inserted. Now simply select save. Also you can align your text here and choose auto and select save and retype here password and sign and save as it a new file. Desktop, save and close and see this. Our new digital signature already added here. Yeah, in this way you can make a digital signature in PDF. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.